You clicked on this video because you want to start knife sharpening and make real money. I spent weeks researching real 9 to 5 workers already doing this to give you the exact steps. No experience needed. Under $300 to start. I call it the Blade Income Stack. And hustle number 3 is where the real money hides. Almost zero competition exists. I call it the porch edge system. Most people think knife sharpening is about knives. It is not. Right now, every single American household has 5 to 10 dull knives sitting in a drawer. They are not throwing them away. They are not fixing them either. Why? Because finding someone to sharpen them feels like too much work, and that is exactly your opportunity. Because what you are selling is not sharpness. You are selling convenience, and convenience pays well. A beginner sharpens 5 to 8 knives per hour. At $10 per knife, that is to $50 to $80 per hour. After work, in your garage, with a $300 kit. After deep research, I found this man, Matt Rowell from New Hampshire. He started with a $255 kit. Zero experience, no shop, just evenings and weekends. His first month he made $1,700 while still working his regular job. No ads, no website, just neighbors and a Dropbox on his porch. And here is the part that surprised me most. When he picked up 2 free knives from a client, they handed him 6 more from the drawer every single time. A free job turned into a $60 ticket every single visit. Now here is exactly how you start from zero. 1. Buy the Worksharp Ken Onion for $285. 2. Practice on 10 thrift store knives for 1 week. 3. Record a 15-second before and after tomato test video. That is your proof. 4. Open the Nextdoor app tonight and post this. First 5 knives free, porch pickup and same-day return. Sharpeners who do this report 3 to 5 new clients within 48 hours, $0 spent. 5. Leave a small lockable bin on their porch. Pick up after your 9 to 5. Sharpen at home, return next morning. Done. YouTube is full of fake side hustle tips, wasting your time and money. This channel runs on real research and real results. If that sounds different, hit subscribe. Here is the problem with homeowners. They call you once and disappear for a whole year. Level 2 fixes that completely. I call it the route lock method, and once you understand how it works, you will never look at a restaurant the same way again. Here is what most people get wrong. They think restaurants buy sharpening. They do not. Restaurants buy predictability. Think about it. Friday night dinner rush. Chef picks up his knife. It is dull. Prep slows down. Orders slow down. The whole kitchen suffers. That is what restaurant owners are paying you to prevent, not a sharp edge. Peace of mind. And that peace of mind creates something even better for you. Predictable money every single month, because here is the truth that will change everything. 5 restaurant accounts will make you more money than 50 homeowners combined. Restaurants need you every 2 to 4 weeks, forever. Homeowners call you once a year. That is the difference between chasing money and collecting it. After deep research, I found this man, Michael Kemp from Austin, Texas. He started with a $280 kit, part-time, zero experience. In his first 6 months, he cleared $25,000. His best single day was over $2,000, all from restaurant routes. Same skill as level 1, completely different income. Now here is the part nobody teaches. Most people walk into a restaurant and ask for the owner. Wrong person. The owner never touches a knife. The executive chef feels the pain every single day. Go straight to the chef and never walk in during lunch or dinner rush. You will get kicked out immediately. Walk in at exactly 2:30 p.m. That is the dead zone between services. The kitchen is relaxed. The chef has time. Your conversion rate is highest right there. Here is exactly how to start from zero. 1. Practice on 20 restaurant-style knives at home first. 2. Build a list of 15 local restaurants on Google Maps. 3. Walk in at 2:30 p.m. and ask for the executive chef. 4. Offer to sharpen 2 knives completely free as proof. 5. Bring 3 sharp loaner knives and leave them. Let the kitchen use them for 48 hours. When you come back, every single cook will be fighting over those knives. 6. Pitch a simple monthly plan. $150 per month, 20 knives, every 2 weeks. 7. Once they say yes, they almost never cancel. It becomes a utility bill for them. Automatic, predictable, yours. In the description below, you will find all 3 hustles complete 7-day roadmaps to start today. And now the one that genuinely shocked me, because the highest paying customers in this entire industry are not homeowners or restaurants. They are someone most sharpeners completely ignore. I call it the silent edge system. Silent because almost nobody is talking about it. Zero competition, highest hourly rate, and the customers are hiding in plain sight all around you. Here is the belief that will shock you. Most people think the best knife sharpening customers own kitchen knives. Wrong. The best customers are barbers, hairstylists, and dog groomers. People whose tools directly create their income. And when a tool makes someone money, maintaining it stops being an expense. It becomes an investment. That single idea changes everything about how you sell this service. Think about this. A professional barber shear costs between $300 and $1,500. The barber does not replace it when it gets dull. He protects it. He pays whoever takes care of it for years. That loyalty is worth more than any homeowner you will ever find. And here is the number that genuinely surprised me during research. Garden tool sharpening pays $150 per hour. Pruners, loppers, mower blades, same machine, same skill, $150 per hour. Almost zero sharpeners offer this because they never thought to look beyond kitchen knives. After deep research, I found this. Sharpening operators on Reddit reported earning $500 to $700 per week part-time, just from salon and barber clients alone. No restaurants, no homeowners, just specialty tools. One operator said his most loyal accounts were not barbers or stylists. They were dog groomers. Professional grooming scissors cost $300 to $800. Groomers use them all day every day, and almost nobody is targeting them. And here is one more thing nobody teaches. In every barbershop there is one alpha barber, the most experienced one, the one everyone respects. Win that one barber. Show him what a razor-sharp edge feels like on his best pair of shears. He will tell every single barber in that building. You walk in for one client and walk out with 10. Here is exactly how to start from zero. 1. Buy the twice as sharp scissors sharpening system for around $400. 2. Practice on 5 cheap salon scissors first. 3. Walk into a local barbershop on Monday or Tuesday afternoon, their slowest days. 4. Grab their oldest, dullest backup scissors and do the wet tissue test right in front of them. A dull scissor tears the tissue. After sharpening it slices clean like butter. The whole shop watches. 5. Offer the first pair completely free. 6. Set them on a 6-week recurring schedule. Hair shears need maintenance every 6 to 8 weeks. Automatic repeat business built right in. 7. Expand to dog groomers and garden centers in your area. Same skill. More money per hour. You now know what 99% of people scrolling right now do not. The porch edge system, the route lock method, the silent edge system. But knowing is not the same as doing. The people already making real money from these did one thing different. They picked one and started that same night. And if you want to start easiest side hustle, watch this video next.